Hey guys. Guys, we are at the beach. For today, guys. Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I know I look crusty rusty, but we're gonna fix that in a few. But yeah, hey guys, I'm a Jamaican lifestyle creator, so if you're interested in those kind of vlogs, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We're getting back on the vlog. We're getting back to the vlogs now. We're getting back to the vlogs. I think this is like one of my about the third consistent or the fourth consistent vlog. Yeah. So yeah, right now it is July 24th. Today is my mother's birthday. So in the comments down below, even though this I will post like long after her birthday again, sorry, but yeah, today is her birthday, so in the comments down below, wish her happy birthday. So yeah, right now I am preparing breakfast for her, and then today we decided that we wanted to have a little beach day. So this is gonna be like a little summer vlog, the real type of summer vlog with a little beach vibe and all of that. So I wanted to take you guys along, but before, let's say hi to mama. Let's say happy birthday to mama, shall we? Yeah. Tell me why she gets up on her work on her birthday. Tell me why this lady gets up on work on her birthday.
Well, she's not my calabash.
Say hi, people. Say happy birthday to mama. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to me. Alright guys, so she did saw she was calabash. Like, yeah. What coming on calabash?
Calabash, food time come. Bring me
what coming on calabash?
Quick.
What come in there? Food? Some feet?
No.
Oh.
So they like the seeds and the pulps that is in it. So I'm washing that out. It kind of has a bad smell.
Yes, it does. Yes. Goodbye. Yes, guys, we are gonna get ready before we're not leaving till about 11, and right now it is 8:27. You can set the time. Yeah, it's now 8:27, and then we'll not leave till about 11. However, I'm gonna have to get ready from early because I have a workshop online from 9 to 11. No, 9 to 12. So it's like me need for ready before the meeting, and it's like 8:21. I'm gonna start at 8, so I need to hurry up. I need to be already before the meeting start so that I can be in the meeting, and then when we're ready to leave, we can just take up something. Then we'll have my hotspots and we leave. So yeah, I'll see you guys throughout the day. Hey guys, so I am ready. Yeah, so I had to get ready early, so it's kind of like it's 9:28. Yeah, and we're not leaving until about 11, but I have a meeting literally actually I go on right now, but I want to show you guys like the outfit and how I look and all of that before I actually go sit down and start. They're just doing a little like one warm up activity. I'm not really interested to actually do the pitch, so I'm going to show you my outfits in the meantime. There's nothing much. I have on these shorts that I had gotten from my sister. It's from Shein. She bought it for like my birthday. This top I have like for years. One of the first some of the first Shein orders that I made. So there are some crop tops, yeah, that I bought, and like me kind of stopped wearing them, but we kind of get back into my crop top vibe, so I'm gonna try to wear it. So yeah. This is the fit, and I'm kind of wearing my anyways, so I'm wearing my Crocs because why not? So yeah, I'm gonna sit and get into my meeting right now, and I'll see you guys when we get on the road. Here, my sister people, just say hi. Say hi.
They don't look good, so
cause I'm
good morning.
Long time them not see.
Mr. People, Mrs. Say, give me breakfast.
No, last year. Oh yeah, she took for free on me because I want one pancake. She eat out on pancake.
Eat one pancake.
But guess what? We don't need breakfast. I'm sorry for she. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys when I get on the road. Make sure it's 5. Hello.
4, you need another one.
5.
4.
5.
4 minutes.
Alright, thank you.
35 years.
But we need a spot that we're going to stay. So we need somewhere that we're going to stay.
There's a table right there, so right beside that table right there, so the blue shirt there, we just left your empty table. Go and fast before somebody else.
We're here. Alright guys, so we reach and we'll go on the road and look a bit. We'll get some food and come back. Alright. So these things beach is festive and all these things.
Why? You do it.
Alright guys, so I went into the water, but I forgot to know, so I'm gonna come back for now. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Then just gone. Coming. Yes, guys, we are at the beach. Hi, sister. Yeah, so we're at the beach, people. We're at the beach. You sinking? Sinking. Oh, shoot, Mr. Lado. Short form vlog.
I can't be in the water.
She's sick.
Y'all see that?
Like, I prefer the quality for my camera right now. Anyways, guys, so we are at the beach. We're gonna swim for, well, I'm gonna swim for a while. Shanika's gonna vlog for me.
Oh my gosh, I'm sinking. Let me get
Tongues. Yeah, vlog for me? Yeah, vlog for me?
This is where I'm standing and nobody moves me.
Ask if you have vlog for me. Okay.
Okay. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day. In every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name.
Y'all see her? She's a living fish. I mean the water fish, because I know y'all is gonna come at me, but yeah, this is a beach and it's awesome. Ooh. So beautiful on a beautiful Thursday, on a queen's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Kay. Oh, she ain't paying me no mind. She's all zoom out. I got Miss Irma and Miss Clark and two little kids. All Wagwana she. Walking to the beach. Hi, birthday lady. You look like your mother. Goodbye.
And how it look like? Okay, so we are out of the water. Right now, me all did figure fish on when me eat over KFC and we turn up in the line probably like 1 to 2 or so hours. Yeah, it took a while. I also had some little Caesars, but me not eat that. So, well, me never eat it at that time. You ready? That's a full carry home. But yeah, we're gonna get ready to go and then we might visit the alright sister, I'm coming.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you've been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is.
So we park it on the ground. This is the first for me. But anyways, let's see. They get this is them hire me. Guys, come to Island Village. Birthday girl. Okay, so I am heading to Starbucks. Then I go pick up my ice cream. I don't want ice cream. So I'm gonna buy Starbucks instead. Yay.
Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Yeah. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up.
Hello. What's your thoughts on the Happy Berry birthday frappuccino?
It's much like the princess frappuccino. So you get almost all the ingredients.
You have small cup?
No, medium. Want to try it?
Yes. And 3 cheese Danish.
You come up with the cheese Danish then?
Huh?
You come up with the cheese Danish then? I will tell you about the cheese Danish then.
I always buy them.
You want one shrimp?
I always buy them. I always buy them.
Alright, so we're doing 3 separate bags, right?
Yes. Yes.
What's the name?
K. K-A-Y. K-A-Y.
Why?
We were all cheering like this. Also picking
2004. Hey, you know what I'm
It's alright. It's okay. I'm good. I have enough cocoa. I have enough cocoa.
I mean, I tell you by the time next month coming, everything gone up, you know, everything. I need to buy all one of them when I like 2005.
How much I said pico?
This one?
No, that one.
2002.
What?
2002.
It's alright. I'm good. Yeah, alright, man. Thank you.
It's good. You can do straw, you know.
I love cocoa, me. Yeah, but I will leave for money to get something here. Copyrighted. We don't move out to the vlog.
Hi guys, so
that's how we gonna cut out the car. Well, you can't try. Probably if you talk up close, we can't let you in there.
hi guys, this tastes good.
What are you drinking?
I don't know.
Sure. Okay.
It says Happy happy birthday, whole milk, blah blah blah, something.
One of them birthdays, something I don't even know. Arita should have not drinking.
Hi.
To the vlog, to the vlog,
To the vlog. To the vlog. To the vlog. Hey man, throw over my ice cream.
You see, you fight.
Yeah, I'm not listening to you. Ice cream.
Oh, I also bought some cheese Danish. I'm not supposed to be eating, but we won't eat it anyways.
What water now? Kill for the chlorine. Too much in the water. Chlorine. Yeah.
Excuse me. There you go. Miss Irma. Miss Irma. Hi.
Yeah. Mom, my head is big. What do you expect?
It's who you belongs to. Huh? Oh. Oh.
I don't know how to drink that extra. I'm gonna drink my water. I'm gonna drink the juice. Yeah, we have sip up.
Guys, so I am home. We are home. We are home.
Not alone.
Yes,
Just home.
home. We're home. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's vlog.
Yes.
So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a like, share, and leave a comment down below. Remember to wish mommy a happy birthday. Wish her happy birthday. That's it for today, guys. Peace.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.